In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import XML in DaVinci Resolve. First, you need to open your project. Launch DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the project you want to import the XML into. This is essential because you want to make sure you are working in the correct environment. If you have multiple projects, double-check that you have selected the right one. The screen will show your project timeline and media pool. You should feel confident knowing you are in the right place, ready to start the import process smoothly. Next up, we'll import the XML. Look at the top menu bar and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Import and then choose Timeline. Depending on your version of Resolve, you might see an option for Import AAF, EDL, XML. Choose the appropriate option that matches your file type. Now, a window will open allowing you to browse your computer. Navigate to where your XML or .fcp XML file is located. Once you find the file, click on it to select it and then click Open. This step is crucial as it tells Resolve which edits and sequences you want to bring into your project. After that, it's time to configure the import settings. The Load XML window will appear, showing several options for you to customize your import. Here you will see a field for timeline name. You can rename the timeline if you like, which helps keep your project organized. There is also an option labeled Automatically Set Project Settings. If you want DaVinci Resolve to match the XML's frame rate and resolution automatically, leave this box checked. It saves time and ensures consistent playback. Then, if you are prompted about relinking media, click Yes. You will need to select the folder containing your video files so Resolve can reconnect all the clips accurately. This is important for maintaining the integrity of your project. Finally, we will finish the import. Click OK in the Load XML window. At this point, DaVinci Resolve will create a new timeline that reflects all the edits from the XML file you just imported. You should see the new timeline appear in your project window. This means your work is done. You can now review your timeline to ensure everything imported correctly. With this process complete, you can proceed with your editing tasks, confident that your XML content is now part of your project. Remember, importing XML files into DaVinci Resolve can streamline your editing workflow significantly. It allows you to leverage existing edits and sequences from other software, making it easier to collaborate or transition between different editing tools. If you follow these steps, you will find that importing XML is a straightforward process that saves you time and enhances your editing efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your editing journey.